Your gut health is intimately related to your inflammation, immune system, your circulatory system, meaning like your heart, your hormones, even your mood and behavior. My name is Glenda Britton. I'm a registered holistic nutritionist and I specialize in mental health.
Hi, I'm Michelle Welch. I'm a certified meditation teacher. Be sure to click the red subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you like this video.
So today we're going to show you how easy it is to make two different kinds of salads, two slaws that are really good for your gut health. First, we're going to make the salad dressing. And what I do, because I don't want to have any more mess to clean up than necessary, I make it in the bowl that I'm going to make the salad in, and I make the salad dressing first. 3 tablespoons of olive oil. 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. 1 teaspoon of raw honey. And don't forget to lick the spoon. And about a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. A dash of anti-inflammatory turmeric powder. Michelle put her caraway seeds in now, and I put them in later. It really doesn't matter. A dash of pepper, a dash of salt. Give it a stir and set it aside.
I'm gonna use broccoli this time because, first of all, cabbages are huge and I'm not sure that I want to have a cabbage taking up my fridge if I only use half. Broccoli, we eat a lot quickly. I happen to have this in the fridge, so I'm just going to substitute this for the cabbage, even though I love cabbage too.
I'm making my slaw with cabbage, and you can see by this thing, it's been in the fridge for like a week. But that's one of the great things about cabbage, especially now with COVID-19 and lockdown. You can buy a cabbage and it will actually last you for a week, so that you can make this great salad a week after you purchase it. So I'm just going to cut off the old pieces like so. You could just chop this, or if you happen to have a food processor, you can put it in the food processor at the grating with the biggest grating attachment. So here we go. Michelle chopping broccoli for her slaw, and I'm preparing coleslaw with cabbage in the food processor. This salad isn't just good for gut health. Both cabbage and broccoli have cancer-fighting properties. Now let's add a carrot. Michelle is grating hers, and I'll pop mine in the food processor. And I happen to have 1 extra beet. Again, it's been sitting in my fridge for about a week. Pour everything into the bowl with the salad dressing. Add some green onions. I'm adding some celery seed. My secret ingredient, sauerkraut. Now this, when we're talking gut health, we've got to go to some fermented foods, and this is a great way to sneak in some fermented foods for your kids, for your husband, for whoever, your partner, whoever doesn't like fermented foods. They'll never know that it is in there.
This is my homemade sauerkraut. We use purple cabbage for this. Oh, it smells pretty good. That's about a tablespoon. Oh yeah. Maybe a bit more. Oh my gosh. Look at the color.
All right, let's plate the salads. Make it look pretty and extra healthy with some chopped herbs.
See you later.
So there you have it. 2 gut healing recipes, so simple to make and so delicious your whole family will enjoy them. So make sure if you like this kind of content, give us a thumbs up and subscribe below. And also below you'll find my favorite 10 brain boosting, mood enhancing recipes. So make sure you check those out as well. That's it for today. Thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.